Take the box containing the hatches and cut out the template drawn on the back following the dotted line. Then put it in the area where the access panel is to be installed. Draw the perimeter of the template with a pencil. Starting from this, continue along the path indicated by the arrows with a pencil for 15 mm and mark the dimensions. Remove the template and then make the cutout in the plasterboard using a jigsaw with a drill bit, following the path drawn previously. Clean up the edges of the sheet, both internally and externally, with a file planer, smoothing any imperfections of the plasterboard. Take the outer frame of the access panel and position it correctly inside the recess, inserting it obliquely into the aforementioned hole. Hold the outer frame with one hand and start fixing it with screws at the points marked previously. Screws should only be inserted where you see the relevant symbol, as shown in the box. When done, place the safety caps on the screws. Begin by grouting the outer frame and then, when dry, sand down carefully. It is very important, both after grouting and painting, to thoroughly clean all aluminium profiles of any residue. Proceed with painting. Then insert the inner frame, taking care to position the giraffe correctly, following the instructions on the package.